Jai Hind dosto. Hello my friends. My name is Swapnil Tamankar. I am currently sailing as chief engineer, and today we are going to look the most dreadful error while you're doing for your exit exam is the DLL error. We'll be looking at the three-tier approach of the STCW exit exams, and the most worst error you will face is the DLL error. So what is actually the DLL? So DLL stands for Dynamic Link Library, and it is a shared resource file which is stored into your system folder, and all the relevant applications use this particular shared resources to reduce the RAM usage as well as the storage usage. So without the further ado, let's go to the DLL file error.
अरे अरे ये क्या दो चाय क्यों? एक कप वापस ले जाओ, एक कप वापस ले जाओ। लेकिन मैं भी तो पीऊंगा। अरे यार, दो दोस्त एक प्याले में चाय पियेंगे, इससे दोस्ती बढ़ती है क्या? अच्छा।
So in order to remove this particular DLL error, there are four options. First, updating your Windows. It can be Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10. The second one is repair of the existing Microsoft Visual C++ distributable Visual Studio file. The third one is to download the relevant DLL file and installing it again as copy and paste. And the fourth option is to install the redistributable C++ Visual Film Studio 2019, which is the latest version, directly onto the computer. All the relevant files which you require in this particular options are given in the descriptions below. So without further ado, let's go to option number 1. And this is how you are going to update your Windows 7 PC. There is nothing much difference. You have to just go to start and go to the control panel option over here, and you have to just go to system and security, where you will be able to see the Windows update option. You just click on that, and you just click on the check for updates tab, and the Windows will check using the internet connection. You will just install this updates, and there it is. How are you going to install updates in Windows 8.1? You just go to the menu, go to the settings, press update, go to the check now tab in the Windows 8.1, and it will be checking, and just install that particular updates. How you're going to update in Windows 8? Just click anywhere so that the menu option appears on the right hand side of the screen. Just go to the settings at the bottom. After you click at the settings, go to change PC settings, scroll at the bottom. You will be able to see Windows Update option. Click on it. Click on the check for updates now button. It will be checking as per your internet connection. You will be able to see the link. Just click on that active link and click on install, and there you have it. The Windows Update is getting installed. Coming next is your Windows 10 PC. Click on the Windows logo, go to the settings. You'll be able to see over here update and security option. Just click on the check for updates, and there you have it. The second one is the repair. That means your laptop already has that particular file, but since it is not updated or any other software has corrupted that particular file, and now it requires a repair, and this is how you are going to repair that particular Visual Studio file. So we are looking into the repair of those registries, and you have to just go to the settings, and over here you are to go at control panel. go to programs and features. You can see this particular redistributable files, and whichever is the latest one or the one which you have. So assuming, let's see, 2013 or 17, anyone for that matter, you have to just go to change and you will be able to see this particular dialog box and press the same thing will be there. Like you, if you have the 2017, it's the same thing. You can just go there and press repair. The third option is to download those particular files which is creating these troubles. The files are in the description, and you have to just copy these files and paste in that particular folders. Whether our system is 32-bit or 64-bit. For that, just go to the right click the Windows icon, go to the settings, and you will be able to see here very nicely it's written as 64 operating system x64 based processor. So once you know that you have 64-bit system, download the files needed from the description link given below. I have downloaded the both 32-bit and the 64-bit file. As you can see, go to the C drive from my PC, go to the Windows, scroll all the way down to find the system folder and drag the necessary files into this. So for a 32-bit file, you are going to paste the 32-bit file into the folder, but since I have a 64-bit, I am going to paste the 64-bit in system32 and the 32-bit DLL file in system wow 64. After you have finished, close and restart your PC. And the fourth one is the complete installation of Visual Studio 2019. In the description, you will be able to find the files for that particular error. For this particular one, again the same procedure is being followed for 64-bit as well as 32-bit. Download that particular file as per your system and execute the file as a normal exe file. Do not forget to restart your PC. Thank you very much. Hope this video helps, and I am going to bring you the latest next video with respect to e-learning very shortly.